Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. So today I have a special guest with me. This is my son. If you guys have not seen the video where my daughter does my makeup last year, that is the only other time I have had one of my children on my channel. I don't do it a lot just because, I don't know, personal reasons. But I'll link that right here in the cards for you guys to check it out. But we thought today would be fun, since he's never been on my channel, to do a 15 questions about me, but from his point of view. So, my son, so Zachary is going to answer 25 questions about me, but from his perspective, and we will see how much he knows about his mama. Are you ready? If you guys want to see this, which you know you do, then just keep watching. Okay, here we go. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. So, we are going to go ahead and answer beauty influencer questions. So basically from like my perspective, but he's gonna answer them. So you guys can see how much he knows about his mom. Okay, question number 1. What is the one product I could not go without?
Fake eyelashes.
Da da da! That's right. Okay, next question. Do you know my favorite makeup brand?
MAC.
Oh my god! Yes, that's right. That was like a no-brainer, huh? You were like, boom, MAC. You know, mommy. What does mommy do when we go to the mall?
Shop for makeup.
Where?
At Sephora.
Yeah. And where else?
Ulta.
Yeah. What other store do I go in the mall? Next to Sephora. You just said it.
Ulta.
MAC.
Oh, MAC. Yeah.
Hold on. Do you know who mommy's favorite beauty blogger is? Do you know who my favorite YouTube channel is?
No.
You don't know who I watch all the time?
You watch that girl from Instagram.
Yeah.
What's her name?
What's her name?
I can't remember, but I know it's a girl from Instagram.
He's talking about... You don't know?
No. I don't know the name, but I know that you watch her.
He's talking about Tati.
Yeah.
She's my favorite. So tell everyone how much you think I spend on my beauty products, my makeup every month.
Probably $300. 400? 500? 1,000?
A lot. How much would you say?
1,500.
Oh, that's a little high.
No, like 1,500.
Probably.
Yeah.
It's a lot, you guys. It's a lot. Come over here.
I am over
Okay.
here.
How often do you think I wash my makeup brushes?
10% of the time.
That's probably right. Because I just buy new ones. That's so bad.
That's all you do.
I know, you're right. If I could choose to do one thing before leaving the house, as far as like my makeup, what would, they can't see you. What one thing would I do before leaving the house as far as my makeup is concerned?
If you haven't finished your makeup, that's all you do until we leave.
What? Like the whole process?
No, like not the whole thing, but whatever you haven't finished yet, that's all you do until we get into the car.
Yeah, right. It's like my whole face.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's right. I pretty much have to wear my whole face before we leave. So.
That's just putting on a whole new person's face.
Yeah, it does look like I'm putting on a whole new other person's face, huh?
Yeah.
I know, and sometimes I do. What do you think are 5 beauty products, 5 makeup products that I need to have all the time?
Eyeliner, something for your eyebrows, and brushes.
Yeah.
And one of those things.
Oh, a sponge?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. And then what else? You said 4. What else do I like?
The palettes.
Yeah, the makeup palettes, huh? Yeah, the eyeshadow palettes. He's pretty right. He's pretty right. Look, he's such a smart kid. Okay.
Just ask one already.
I know, huh? Do you know... Oh, I have to find it. Okay. Do you think I would choose Sephora or MAC?
MAC.
Yeah, probably. Do you know if I use a pencil for my eyeliner or what's it called? I can't think. Or a liquid.
Liquid. No, pencil.
Pencil. Yeah, good. Yep, he knows that one too. Okay. Do you think that I wear a lot of colorful shades or do I wear neutral shades?
Probably neutral.
Yep, neutral.
I don't see nothing that's like green on there or anything.
Doesn't see anything green.
Or anything. Like blue, red or
That's
something.
right. No, that's right. Okay. Do you think I could ever leave the house without my makeup on?
No.
That was like immediate.
No, you cannot.
You're right. Got it. Do you think that I like lipstick better or lip gloss better?
Stick.
Lipstick. What kind of lipstick? Do you know?
The ones that come up from the bottles or MAC ones?
Yes, good. Yeah, the one that comes up from the bottles. The liquid lipsticks.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice job, bud. You know me so well. I don't even know what number we're on, but we're just going to answer a couple more.
We're on like...
Is it like 13, 12?
No, we're on like 8.
8, okay. Okay, do you know if I prefer to wear... Okay, so do you know the foundation I put on my face, like the first thing I put on my face? Do you think I like it when it covers all my skin or a little bit of my skin? You know, the first thing I put on, the liquid stuff that I put on my sponge.
Oh, everywhere.
Do you like it? Do you think I like it to look red, or do I like? Do I want to show my skin under, or do I want to just cover everything?
That's all you do. You just cover it, or you just cover everything.
You're right. That is all I do. I just cover it all. That's right. I just cover it all, every single part. Do I ever shop? Come here.
Yeah.
Do I ever shop at the drugstore for makeup?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you know what I buy there?
Makeup.
What kind? What kind of makeup?
MAC?
At the drugstore? You can't get MAC at the drugstore. I wish. No, at Walgreens or Rite Aid. What, do I ever shop there for makeup?
You shop for Walgreens. You shop for the ones on the walls.
What's the brand? Do you remember?
No,
It starts with an N.
Wait, give me like 3 letters.
It is 3 letters. I can't get it. Yeah, good. Yeah, he said, good job, buddy. What do you think is my most cherished makeup item? Like the one thing I would be so mad if someone took.
Palettes.
Yep, my eyeshadow palettes. Nice job. He knows me. He knows me really well. And he's only 10, you guys, so yep. I just have to go through different sites because some of the questions don't apply to me. Okay, let's do personal questions. We'll see how well he knows me personally. How many tattoos do I have? Come here. How many tattoos do I have?
2. You have around 3 or 4 or 2. Around that.
Guess. What do you think?
3. Around 3. Because the bird on your thing and the one on your back is just 2.
Okay.
And then you have one, like, I can't remember where, but I swear you have 3.
So I have this one.
Yeah, that one, and that one.
This one.
Oh wait, 4. You have 4.
Right here, right?
Yes, you have 4.
One on my back.
That one, and that one.
You and Sissy's names.
Oh, 5.
I have 5. And then the big old flower.
Yeah.
I have 5. He was close, but I have 5. Yep. Do you know how many piercings I have?
1. And your nose.
I only have 1 piercing?
Yeah, and your nose.
How am I wearing these in my ears?
Oh, 3.
3. Yes, good. Zachary, have I ever been in love?
Mm-hmm.
With who?
Dad.
Dad! That's right, huh? And who else?
Me.
Me. You and Sissy, yep. That's right. Mm-hmm. Okay, you guys, final question. Come up here. Okay, so, final question is, do you think that Mommy is pretty on the inside?
Yes.
Why?
Because that note that I gave you.
What does it say?
1 second. You help us a lot.
Why am I a good mama?
Because you make sure we have a roof over our heads.
Yeah.
And you feed us.
Yeah.
And you buy us what we need.
Yeah.
And you give us food to eat.
I love you.
Yes.
Pretty good answers. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Mwah. This is my little boy Zachary. It's probably one of the only times he'll be on my channel, so, you know, take it for what it is. I don't subject my kids to much of my YouTube channel just because that's our private life, but we thought this would be fun because I don't do a lot of these on my channel, so we hope you enjoyed it, you know? Leave a like for Zachary. Let's see how many likes we can get for Zachary on this video, and maybe we'll do something some other time if we get a lot of likes. We'll see, but leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this video, saying hi to Zachary. You know, do what you gotta do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button also down below. Should they hit the subscribe button? Why should they subscribe to Mom's channel?
Because you're the best YouTuber ever.
Oh, because I'm the best YouTuber ever. Hit that subscribe button, become part of the Edgy fam. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!